Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to move photos to iCloud. Alright, so first up, go ahead and find the settings app on your phone, tap on it, and then once done, just go ahead and tap on your Apple ID. Tap, and then just find iCloud. Tap on it, and then here, go ahead and tap on See All. And just make sure that your iCloud photos right here, when you go ahead and tap on it, you enable this feature, okay? This is a syncing feature. Just enable it and do make sure that you do have enough iCloud storage, okay? As you can see here, I won't be able to do it because my phone's storing 32.59 gigs of photo and my iCloud storage is just the free one, okay, which got 5.36. So go ahead and enable this option right here, and then once done, in the next page, your phone right here will make you choose the option to either optimize your iPhone storage, which is basically to save space locally, and that is to keep full resolution versions on both your iCloud and phone. Now let's say you wanted to do it on a Windows computer. So how do we do it? So first up, you need to go ahead over to your Microsoft Store, okay, and find iCloud. Okay, now go ahead and download the iCloud app. Once done, just click on Open right here. Now this one will open. Click on Get Started and just log in with your iCloud account or Apple account. Once signed in, you will now then be able to sync your photos. Right here, it says Sync iCloud Photos to Microsoft Photos. So click on Sync Photos right here, as well as your iCloud, your passwords if you want to, your bookmarks, or your calendars. Okay, and then once done, just click on Finish Setup. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it's now trying to sync. So what you'll do on your computer is go ahead over to File Explorer right here. This one is File Explorer. Now what you'll do is just, as you can see here in the left panel, we have iCloud Drive or iCloud Photos. Now just basically select one, for example, iCloud Photos right here. Let's say I'm going to move a photo. This photo right here, all you got to do is just drag and drop or move, or you can copy and paste, vice versa. Okay, and once that's done, this photo right here from your Windows computer is now moved to your iCloud Photos. And when you go ahead and go to iCloud right here, click on Manage. And then once it allows, go ahead over to iCloud Photos. As you can see here, it now says 1 photo and 0 videos stored in iCloud. Okay, that's basically it. That is how you move photos to iCloud. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.